We are packing up this weekend with travel writer Natalie Preddie, getting ready for a quick summer getaway. And we're only packing carry-on, and you've actually brought stuff, your own stuff. This is how you as a travel writer travel.
Absolutely, and I do it a lot, and I have to do it quickly, and I have to fit a lot into a small case. So first I want to talk about the case itself, because what we have seen is that carry-on, what's allowed on board is changing by airline, which can be really tough when you're choosing your luggage. But you know what? A lot of places will say, you know, this specific luggage is allowed on these specific airlines, but this is something you want to double check. A lot of people are getting burned when they get to the airport with their carry-on and they say, no, that's too big.
And you've got to check it.
And you've got to check it,
yeah,
which incurs some fees.
Yes.
Of course. So
an inconvenience.
And an inconvenience, you know, and things that you wanted to bring with you on the plane, you then have to reshuffle. So I highly recommend checking before you get to the airport what size carry-on you need. And I love this one. This is mine. This is the one I actually travel with. It also has a battery pack inside of it. So if I need to charge wherever I am, if I'm stuck, then that's handy and ready to go. Now remember, you can also bring a personal item. So you have your carry-on luggage, this, and a personal item. And I use this. My husband gave it to me for Christmas. It's perfect. And it actually has, yes, please note that I said that.
I'm worried that he gave you something to go away with.
Well, yes, yeah, that too.
Hopefully with
this
him.
Too. Exactly,
Yes.
exactly. Yeah, yes. Well, he nailed it, either way. We have these carry-on. These can be used as weekenders as well if you're only, you know, going somewhere for a short period of time. And a lot of these new carry-on bags that we're seeing have some room on the bottom for shoes. So along here,
so a zip-up spot.
This unzips along the bottom, and you can fit 3 pairs of shoes in here. So that's a fantastic way to ensure that you have all the footwear that you need, because, you know, when you travel, you have to make sure you have the right shoe for your outfit.
Right.
Although when packing like this, I always say you need about 3 pairs of shoes. You need a runner, you need something casual for the day, and then a dress-up shoe. If you're casual, if you're fine with wearing that at night to dress up as well, you've saved yourself a little bit of space.
There you go.
So let's talk about liquids. We are very close to losing the 100 milliliter rule. In some places, they've already dropped
British
it.
Airlines, I think, has dropped it.
They've dropped it.
Yeah.
But in Canada, right now, when you're flying out, and quite a few other places around the world, you do still need to have all of your liquids less than 100 milliliters, and it has to be in a clear bag. So I've been burned, and I still get burned, where I forget and I shove it all in, and then I'm pulled over and they unzip my bag and they take out all of my liquids and creams and put them in a plastic bag and then give it back to me, which feels like an erroneous exercise, but here we are. So you can get a lot of travel size. Anywhere you want to buy your travel size items, you can get pre-made kits. They have them for men, they have them for women. These are fantastic. Or if you are like you and I, and you have your creams that you like, you have your hair products, you have everything that you like, you can also go to somewhere like Shoppers or any, you know, Rexall or any pharmacy and get these tubes, and you can fill those up, and you and I both have ready to go packs. Now let's talk about packing.
Okay, because we got 30 seconds left, but this is game changing.
This is game changing. So I found these packing cubes. Packing cubes are the way forward, but these ones are super
next level.
Next level, because they have 2 zippers, which means you can compress them even further. So I have 6 t-shirts in here. And
it's just taking the air out of them.
It's taking all the air out. And look at that.
That is amazing.
It's like book size that you can fit in. So
now I want to get
the amount
different
of clothes.
Carry-on pods.
I know, it's so exciting.
All right, I want to go with you. Okay,
Let's go.
Social media. We'll get all the links up at chch.com/morninglive. We're packed.